Welcome to this 10-minute Yoga Nidra for energy. This is a great Yoga Nidra to do anytime you need a little bit more energy in the day. If you're feeling tired, fatigued, exhausted, you can practice it multiple times. As always, this audio download will be available for our members in our membership community, so you can download it and use it on your devices wherever you want and listen in your earbuds. We'll put the link to that in the show notes. There'll be no closeout, so thank you so much for liking it before you watch, subscribing to the channel for more Yoga Nidras like this, and for putting "I am re-energized" in the comments. Welcome to the short 10-minute Yoga Nidra for energy. Allow yourself to be as comfortable as possible. Let your eyes get heavy. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it fall out of your mouth. Feel your body sinking down and into the ground. If there is any way that you can prepare to relax more deeply or more effectively, please do that now. As we go through the process of Yoga Nidra, I invite you to welcome anything and everything that comes into your awareness. Thoughts may come and go, and you can allow them to float through the sky of your mind like clouds. Consider your intention or purpose for this short Yoga Nidra. Why are you here? What do you want to receive in the next 10 minutes? As you scan your body, you don't need to control your experience. Know that this Yoga Nidra will rest your mind and decrease sensory input. This simple meditation is deeply nourishing. By bringing awareness to your breath and body, you will step away from this practice rested, restored, and revitalized in just 10 minutes. Notice the ambient sounds in the room. Notice sounds far away. And then closer in. Breathe into the space behind and between your eyebrows. Become aware of your mouth. Feel sensations in your mouth. Notice your lips, upper lip, lower lip, where your lips touch. Feel inside your mouth, roof of your mouth, under your tongue, upper teeth and gums, lower teeth and gums, tongue, root of tongue, center of tongue, tip of tongue. Notice the sense of taste in your mouth. Feel the left inner cheek, right inner cheek, then feel all the parts of your mouth as a whole. Feel your whole mouth. Notice your eyes, ears, then notice your entire face and entire head. Feel the sensation of your neck and throat, shoulders, arms. Notice your left arm, top to bottom. Feel your right arm, top to bottom. Left arm, right arm, and then feel both arms at the same time. Bring awareness to the sensation of your torso. Breathe into your heart center. Breathe into your belly. And breathe into your lower back. Now bring awareness to the sensations of your pelvis, front, back, and sides of your pelvis. Notice your legs. Feel your left leg, top and bottom. Feel your right leg, top and bottom. Left leg, right leg, left and right, and then feel both legs together. Now feel the entire left side of your body, head to toe. And then feel the entire right side of your body, head to toe. Left side, right side, both sides. Feel your entire body. Begin to feel as if your body is very heavy, embodying the feeling of sinking heavy into the ground. Now imagine you are as light as a feather. Feel yourself heavy like a stone, and then light like a feather. Now imagine feeling both heavy like a stone and light like a feather simultaneously. This does not need to make sense. Simply feel both heavy and light simultaneously. What is the part of you that can be both heavy and light? These sensations reveal your unchanging, underlying awareness. Notice this awareness letting go into itself, unrestricted by time and space, where there's nothing to do, nothing to accomplish, nothing left to complete, nothing you need to get, nowhere you need to be, and nothing you need to know. Slowly begin the process of transitioning back. Gradually open and close your eyes, soaking up the quiet stillness and calm that you experienced in this 10-minute yoga nidra for energy. Acknowledge yourself as the unchanging, energized presence that you are, always awake, always energized, across all states of consciousness, as you make your way back into your day-to-day life, re-energized. Much love and many blessings.